welcome back to my channel. I'm Maria. If you are new to my channel, I'm Indonesian and I live now in the Netherlands. And today I would like to show you, so me and my boyfriend, we bought a kayak boat. And today we would like to unboxing the kayak boat and pump it, because we bought the inflatable kayak boat, so we would like to pump it and unboxing it to show you how it looks. And tomorrow we are going for kayaking, so if you are interested, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the boat, because it's inflatable, so it is in this bag, and the bag can be carried as a backpack actually, but it's quite heavy because it's like 17 kilo. And this is the measurement of the boat. So this boat can fit 2 adults and 1 kid, 1 child. So and this one is the pump of the boat, and these are the pedals. And my boyfriend Matthias is going to show you how we pump this boat. Alright, we are opening the bag for the first time, because we haven't opened it and we haven't used it. We just bought it like 2 days ago. So this is the fin. Oh, this is the fin. Can you explain, Matthias?
This is for stabilization, and so yeah, this end can go smooth, like straight.
Yeah. So this is for under the boat, right?
Oh.
Alright. So this is the part for the fin. There are 2. This is the back side, I think, or the front side, and there is 1 here. So there are 2. I'm not sure if this is the back side or the front side, and this is 1 here. All right. Yeah. So there are 3 seats. This one, and this one, and you can adjust it. So if you want only for 2 people, you can remove this one, because there is this instructions here. So if you go for 2 people, this is how you should adjust your seat, and if you go for 3 people, this is how you should adjust your seat. You see? So because we are going for only 2 of us, we will adjust it, I think, this way, yeah, Matthias? For 2 people. So we can keep the one of the seat in the storage room. And now Matthias is going to pump the boat. Why we are pumping today? Because we don't live next to the water, so we have to walk tomorrow with the boat already pumped to the water, so that way it's easier. And what is this, Matthias?
For the middle part.
Also, you pump it different. So first here, and second here, and third there.
Ja, volgens mij de middelste eerst, denk ik nou.
So guys, there are 3 points for pumping the boat. 1, 2, 3, and we will start from the middle. Once the middle is fully pumped, fully inflated, is that the right English? So if the middle is fully inflated, then we will pump the sides. It's fully pumped, so you see it's hard, and it's quite fast actually. I think less than 1 minute it's pumped fully, I think. It's a free exercise for Matthias. But it's quite handy. It's like less than 5 minutes, I think we can finish it. Okay guys, both sides are fully pumped, fully inflated. So the next step is to pump the seat. So this seat also pump inflatable. You see, this is the thing to put the how do you call it? The pump in. I don't know what's the right English for this. Yeah, the tube. Yeah, this is the thing to put the tube in. Alrighty. Look at that!
Dit is al genoeg.
Wow, it's like 2 pumps, I think.
Yeah,
2 or 3. And it is already inflated. Great.
So the position is about here. This is for the back seat. Deze kan dan eruit.
Okay, since we don't need the third seat, so we will take it out. Actually, Matthias will take it out. I'm just holding a camera here and talking.
Back. The storage
Oh yeah,
in here.
there. So you can put your stuff here and also there.
In here. And
Let
also,
me try the phone part.
you can use this for the pedals. Easy to carry. You have actually this one. It's like easy to bring with you because it's small. But you can also buy the one who's already in one piece. So if you have space, then that's also available.
Yeah. So there are different types of pedal, but we choose this one because it is compact. You can disassemble it and put it in this bag, and it comes with 2 how do you call this, pedal and the stick.
And this, if you put it in one piece, you can use this bag to carry your stuff and
Yes,
put it here maybe.
correct. Good idea. So Matthias is going to show you how to put it together. It's like a click system, guys.
So it's deze.
Yes. And the other one.
So.
Yeah.
And here, it's like this.
Yes.
Watch
This
your
is
finger.
kind of tricky, so you have to be careful. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. How long?
It's 2 meter 15.
2 meter 15. So I think it's pretty good for our boat, right?
It's 1 kilo.
1 kilo?
Usually the incorrect measure is if you do it like this.
Okay.
So for me it's a good size, but maybe for you a little bit.
All right. I think we are ready for tomorrow. So this is it, guys.
Wait till
So this is it. This is the boat.
deze moet je nog aan.
Yeah. This is the boat, and we put the paddle already there. And there is a handle here. So if we want to carry it tomorrow to the water, it's really practical. I just hold the handle here, and Matthias will be holding the other one at the end. So I'm really curious how we will go tomorrow. I think it takes like 10 minutes walking from our place, or 5 minutes walking, maybe 10 minutes for me, from our place to the water. And we have picked the right spot to go into the water tomorrow. And yeah, that's all. The unboxing video from us, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope this is useful if you want to buy the inflatable kayak boat. We got this one from Decathlon, and it costs around how much? 300?
Yeah,
So yeah, it costs, the boat itself, it costs around 300 euros, excluding the paddles. excluding this as well, and this costs around
30 or
25 euros, and the pedal I think costs around 25 euros as well.
Each.
One pedal. So I think in total we spend the pump.
It's 15.
Yeah, the pump costs 15 euros, so it's not that much.
Total it's 420.
So yeah, in total we spend like 420 euros. So what do you think? Do you think it's worth it? Let's see tomorrow. We can judge whether it's worth it or not once we go into the water tomorrow. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. We will do more videos. I know a lot of my videos are in Bahasa Indonesia, in my mother tongue, but perhaps we will do more videos in English. Let's see. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Doei.
Good day.